In the jungle, so lush and green, elephants roam, a joyful scene, with the trunks held high and ears so wide. In their gentle presence, let's abide. Elephant friends, big and strong, in the jungle they belong. With their trumpets loud and steps so grand, in the land of elephants, let's take a stand. Through the rivers they splash and play, their laughter echoes bright as day. With a rumble low and a gentle sway, in their world of wonders let's stay. On their backs we'll take a ride through the forest far and wide, with smiles on our faces and dreams in our eyes. In the world of elephants, let's rise. As the stars twinkle in the night so clear, elephants gather without fear, with a bond so pure and love so true. In their kingdom